Don't get me doing this shit. Somebody's gonna. No, Jake, stop. Stop recording.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, me and Andrew are gonna do a full detail on the Cobra and the RS. It's gonna be my first time using an electric buffer. So we're gonna wash, we're gonna buff this shit, and then we're gonna polish it up. So it'll be like in a whole full detail. I've never done anything like this on any of my cars. I've usually just washed them and waxed them. So we'll kind of do like, it's not really a how-to video, but you guys will see kind of the process that we take. May have to go to the car wash first because Andrew's having a little problem with his power washer. Okay, we got the cars all washed up. Andrew's gonna wax his. He doesn't need a buffer polish because he did that last year. I'm gonna tape everything off of the panels that I need to do, and we'll get to work. It's my first time using a buffer and a polisher, so I know exactly what to do. I've watched many YouTube videos on it, so that makes me an expert.
I feel like it's the same face you make when you're taking a shit.
God dang. Just so everybody can see the before and after, the front bumper here is like the worst part. I just realized the microphone's not plugged in.
What?
The microphone's not plugged in.
So every time we've been talking,
Well, I think it has a built-in mic, but I'm not sure how good it is.
how crazy would that be this whole time?
Here's how the front bumper looks before we're gonna do anything to it. Alright guys, we got the cars all detailed up. We're gonna head to a spot so we can take some great B footage, what is it? B-roll. So we can take some great B-roll of the cars, and that'll be the video. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the B-roll. Like and subscribe.
Yes, what he said.
Let's do this.